Assalamu alaikum. Now we discuss the fourth numerical that is related to the classification of the solid. First MCQ, that is the lattice point are atom of the crystal, ion of the crystal, dimensionless and shapeless point and unit cell. We know that a lattice point is just a mathematically point, so it has no physical dimensions because it's shapeless and dimensionless. Lattice point is just a mathematically point. So here is the correct option is the option C, that is the dimensionless and shapeless point. Now we discuss the next MCQs, that is asked that the space lattice is two-dimensional arrangement of atoms, three-dimensional periodic arrangement of points, arrangement of molecules. We know that a space lattice extend periodically in all three directions and form the basis of crystal structure. So here we write that a space lattice extend periodically in all three directions and form the basis of crystal structure. So here is the correct option is the option C, three-dimensional periodic arrangement of point. Now we discuss the another physics MCQ, that is the crystal structure is obtained by lattice only, basis only, lattice plus basis and unit cell only. A crystal structure we know that is formed when a basis, that is the atom, is placed on each lattice point. So here we write that a crystal structure is formed when a basis placed on each lattice point. So here is the correct option is lattice plus basis. Lattice plus basis, that is make the crystal structure. Here is all today we discuss about the three physics MCQs that is related to the classification of solids. Hope you like my video. If you like my video, please like, subscribe and share. Thank you for watching. Allah Hafiz.